Hi Sunanda, this is Yogesh here from CMTI Quality Department. Now I'm going to take your feedback. First, congratulations on your completion of your course and you got the placement.
Thank you, sir.
Introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Sunanda. I'm from Andhra Pradesh, sir. I completed my BTech in PullaReddy Engineering College, Kurnool in 2024, sir.
How did you come to know about CMTI Institute?
The CMTI faculty came to our college for guest lecture, sir. On that time, I got to know about CMTI Institute, sir.
Okay, which course you have joined here?
I have joined Interior Design Management and Building Information Modeling, sir.
What was your learning during your training period here?
In the training period, I have learned about the building materials and cut list, project management, and many other softwares, sir, regarding interior designing.
And how was the support from trainers and the staff?
It was so welcoming and very glad to be in CMTI, sir.
Now, what are you going to do next?
I have placed in Glamwood Interiors as a production analyst, sir. I'm going to continue that, sir.
Fine. And coming to your placement, how was your interview preparation?
My interview preparation started with revising the overall courses, sir, plans and softwares and many designs, sir, with portfolio.
So how many companies you attended for the interview?
2 companies, sir.
And can you just tell me about your final company interview process?
It was 2 rounds, sir. In Glamwood, the first round is self-introduction and some personal details. The second round, overall practical questions and technical questions about the company, about the interior designing, and about the cut list, sir.
Okay, now you have been appointed for which profile?
As a production analyst, sir, in Glamwood.
Now, what do you want to say to your juniors or students who wants to join CMTI?
The students who are interested in interior designing management, this is the best platform to explore themselves, sir.
Congratulations again. Wishing you all the best.
Thank you, sir.